See that wiper back there? Not there. There. It doesn't show you how to do this. Nope. Nope. But I will show you. See it move? Watch. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Doesn't even show you how to do in here. Watch this. You can go into settings. You could even go into system. No, is it system? Let's see. Where did I find it? It's gonna be a 10-minute video how to do the wipers. Vehicle, I think it is. Is it this one or this one? Yeah, here we go. Owner's manual. I was already in wipers. You see this? Look. Look. Replace the front wiper blades. Okay. How to do the rear wiper blades. They don't tell you to put it in. They don't tell you how to do it. They just tell you how to change it physically. But how do you get it? Because look at this. We'll show you. You can't just replace it. It's hidden in there. You see that? So, what I figured out how to do is turn it on. So it wipes. Okay? Watch. And then turn the car off. See that? Look at this. And that's how you keep it in place so you can replace it. Silly, right? Thanks for telling us. So let's get this out and I'll show you how to do it, because they claim you just pull out down this way and then forward. Nope. And it's not even how you do it either. Look at this. gotta love the American stuff. Okay, maybe it's this. Hold on, because this does look like it squeezes out. So don't scratch that. Let's put this back and figure out how to really do it, because there is a squeeze right here. See the squeeze? Let's put this in there, back in there. Yeah, okay, so apparently this can pop out of its socket. Okay, now let's see if there's an actual part number for this thing, because this does not look like a standard wiper that you're going to find. Hey, look, Germany. I don't see a part number at all with this thing. So what I actually ended up doing was squeezing this. It slid out. You see this little hook right here? Look at this. So you line the hook up. You see? It snaps back into place. So squeeze those two little wings and it slides out. Now do not let this thing hit the glass, because you probably break it. So that's the back one. Let's go do the front one. Oh, and this back one says it's 11. I thought it was in the video too. I'll cut it up. So big ass truck like this got 11-incher. Nice. Those got to be really easy, because it shows you in the manual, right? Get a step stool, because I am 6 foot and I still have a tough time with this. Push button and then slide forward. Look, I did it with one hand. You can do it with two. See? It slides all the way out. Now, is there a part number on this thing? Let's see. We have to measure these too. Don't hit the glass. Let's see. This says Fomoco. I don't know. Can't even see this thing. You gotta love the Americans. All right, let's go measure, because I think these are standard for most vehicles. So we're gonna put this back one hand, not breaking the windshield. Lines back in, and slides right back into place if it wants to cooperate. Make sure it locks into place. Same thing on that side. So let's get a tape measure. 22. Let's go see what the other one is. 22. Now let's go see what the other one is. Psych. Same thing. No ladder or step stool, but same thing. Push the button in and slide forward. Got it? Good. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.